Now, 800 CHAB presents Ask the Expert. Here's Rob Carnie.
It is November, and that means Christmas is just around the corner, and that means it's Christmas party season, and we're here to talk about that and the liability that goes along with it. Greg Marcyniuk, Heritage Insurance, downtown Moose Jaw. Greg, it's important that people who are throwing Christmas parties know that they're responsible.
That's correct. Whether you're having a home party or an office party, you are responsible when you are serving alcohol. So the biggest thing here, Rob, is that we're seeing more people suing more people, unfortunately. And whether you're hosting at your home or, again, as a business party, Christmas party, you really have to take your time and make sure you have things set out right. What I do recommend is that anybody that is serving should have taken the SMART program, and the SMART program is Server and Managers Alcohol Responsibility Training. They look at intoxication like a traffic light. So green is a patron that is showing no signs of impairment, they're in a good mood, and they're not drinking rapidly, and you know they get a green light, so you can continue to serve them. Yellow is a patron, on the other hand, who's not yet intoxicated, but he's drinking very quickly, or she, and is either in a down mood or out to celebrate, as most of us are at the holiday season, and maybe showing some signs of impairment. And your goal is to stop serving before a guest does get intoxicated. So you should serve this person with caution. Red is a patron or guest that is definitely showing signs of intoxication. They may be depressed, aggressive, or in a bad mood, and they're drinking fast, and they seem intent on becoming drunk. So at that point, that's when you want to stop them. And when you're dealing with an intoxicated person, you should just politely say, you've had enough, and offer them some food and some either soft drink, tea, coffee, whatever you may have. And courtesy goes a long way. You should always avoid threatening situations such as, saying you're drunk. Instead, put the focus on yourself and say, I don't want to get into trouble. I'd really like to see you sober up and would like you to take a cab home.
Yeah, you got to turn on some charm.
Well, that's right. And both you and I have that, of course. Right. Some of the great ideas here when you do have a party, you should serve drinks to guests rather than offering a self-serve bar. Place little table tents on there saying drink responsible. Don't price alcohol too low or have free alcohol because that encourages more consumption. And as well, offer a range of low alcohol and alcohol-free drinks, and require the servers to measure the spirits for sure, because that can always get people into trouble. And always serve food with alcohol. Typically, you should close your bar an hour before the party ends, and don't call a last call out because, of course, everybody wants to go up and get extra drinks. And again, I really encourage that you entice guests to take a ride home, either have a subsidized taxi. I know myself, I just pay for a taxi ride. I know the Kinsman Club, and I believe there's other service clubs that do offer a safe ride home. So I really believe that, it's the time of year where people have to take it easy. And another thing is when you are hosting the event, we have various types of liability insurance that will provide coverage in the event of legal liability.
And reasonably priced, too.
Very reasonably priced. If you're having it at home, it's based on the number of people that you're having and, of course, the amount of liability. So I highly recommend that you come in, talk to any of our fine brokers here at the corner of Fairford and First Northwest, or check us out online, heritageinsurance.ca.
Greg Marcyniuk, Heritage Insurance on 800 CHAB's Ask the Expert.
This has been Ask the Expert on 800 CHAB.